Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is January the 20th, 2020. We're going to give you all a very quick price prediction update for Churchill Capital. Now, you guys haven't heard, this particular SPAC is trying to merge with Lucid Motors, and there has been a lot of hype placed on this particular company, understanding, being under the premise that they're going to merge and in turn will increase the stock price. So that's why we're here. We're here to give you all an expectation as to what to expect from the trap. We don't focus on any of the hype, any of the market news that comes out just to spur you to act a certain way. The one you see on the bottom left side of my screen, he controls the price, not the news, not the earnings reports, not financial analysis, fundamental analysis, or even technical analysis. The one you see on the bottom left side of my screen, he controls the price. And we term him the trap. He wants to take the money from you, period. There's no friends in the markets. Everyone is trying to get a better price on the next one. That's it. So for us, we got to get in position. So we're going to look at this particular stock right here, Churchill Capital, and see whether or not this particular market still has legs to go higher in price. And if not, how low will we expect the trap to go before he'll prop up the price? So now, this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go that you hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you do not miss out on any of our videos that we upload to this particular channel. So let's get into this real quick. All right, this was an article right here, okay, that came out on the 19th, yesterday, trying to see, can Lucid Motors and the SPAC Churchill Capital keep the merger hope alive? Because Churchill Capital issued a statement regarding this particular merger, right? So this is definitely placing a lot of questions into the market whether or not this whole merger will come to fruition. So much so that you guys can see that the market in CCIV dropped 2.5% on yesterday's trading, right? Now, it's a lot of rumors, it's a lot of questions, and a lot of people are seeing what is waiting to occur in the market. Now, look at this paragraph right here. Okay, even though there's questions on the horizon as to, okay, can this merger happen? Will this merger actually come through? Circumstantial evidence regarding a possible merger continues to mount. Listen to this. We reported on the 13th of January, okay, that was 7 days ago, that Lucid Motors opened job vacancies for 3 new posts that primarily cater to public company instead of a private one, i.e. they're going public on the stock market. These included the vacancy for an SEC reporting manager, a director of investor relations, and an analyst investor relations. So they have vacancies, Lucid Motor does, for a position that deals with the SEC, that deals with issuance of stocks openly on the public market. So even though Churchill hasn't physically came out and announced that the merger is coming to pass, but in the meantime, they have vacancies out to fill positions that will require someone to watch over the initial public offering, to watch over the investor relations for their public stock. So keep that there. Okay, because when you look at the market in Lucid Motors, Churchill Capital, you can see it, that the hype is there. The market in Churchill literally went from the 11th of January, 9 days in, to a high of about $21, which is 109% in 9 days. That is fantastic. If you was able to catch that market right there, congratulations. That is positive. I'm glad that you was able to catch that market move in Churchill Capital. 109% in 9 days. Good job. Congratulations. I definitely want to give you kudos on that. So let's take this away real quick. And over the last couple of 3 days, you guys can see that there's a lot of questions, a lot of uncertainty in this particular stock right now, Churchill. So what do you think the market is going to do? Let's take a look at this market real quick on an hourly time frame. Okay, so the market definitely is still in a trend. Okay, let's break this down on an hourly, and let's pay attention, because on an hourly time frame we're seeing some instances to where the trap is showing us some areas of support, right? That's 17.50 all the way back down to around $17, even 16.50. Okay, we're definitely seeing some emphasis to where the market is propping itself up. We're not seeing an insurmountable amount of weakness in this stock, which is a good thing. I mean, you would be expecting the market in Churchill to continue to go higher in price, right? Now, looking at this on a 45-minute bar, you guys can still see here that the market wants to go higher in price, which is good. And actually, we're going to play that forecast out for Churchill. We're going to expect the price in Churchill to continue to see higher price. No doubt about it. Now, can we follow the market trend in Churchill? Can we play the trend in Churchill? Right? Because this definite trend is definitely in play right now. Okay, 5-day time frame, you guys can see a massive spread on the last completed 5-day price bar, even with the volume. So a lot of people place money on this particular company, Churchill, or this particular SPAC. So I don't think, based off the market right now, from what the trap has shown us, that the movement higher is done for Churchill. So yeah, we're going to continue to play some of this strength into the market in Churchill on this particular forecast. So let's do that real quick. Okay, so now what do you expect the market in Churchill to go though? Okay, let me change this back over to the hourly. We'll see where we can see that support area again. So we're going to ultimately take that support area back here towards $15.50, give or take. That's going to be our support area that we want to expect the trap to come in and hold the market. Okay, and we're going to just simply take the market all the way back up here to the all-time high so far, which was on the 15th of about $21. All right, so this is it. We're going to play this particular forecast into the market in Churchill. We're going to expect the market to continue to go a little higher in price. And now it's your turn. What do you all expect the market in Churchill to do? Okay, let's go ahead and do this real quick. Save that, and we're in play. So now we're in position. We have an expectation of what the trap is going to do into the future. It is your turn. As always, if you guys follow us on the other channel, we want you all to think for yourself and what do you think the market is going to do, so you can also get in position. And then tell everyone else what you see with a comment in the comment section. It doesn't have to be confusing. You guys can see our price chart is clean. So make sure when you leave us a comment that your comment is clean as well. Simply tell us where you think the market is headed and where would you take your profit. That's it. Now, questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. Now go and just simply trade different.